Hello friends, welcome back to the Python quiz series. This is part 7 of the series covering lists with questions worth 60 marks. In the upcoming questions, you have to find the output generated by the given Python code. You should write the output in a notebook and then tally it with the correct output. Here is question number 1. See the code and find the output. And the correct output is this one. Question number 2. Find the output of this code. And the output is this one. Question number 3. Again see the code and find the output. Work patiently with slicing. And the output is this one. Question number 4. Again see the code and find the output. And these are the 4 lines of output. Question number 5. See the code and find the output. It is not as straight as it looks, so be careful while finding the output. And the output is this one. Question number 6. Find the output of the given code. And the output is this one. Question number 7. Find the output of the given code. This time the list is being generated using comprehension. So be careful. Create the list first and then find the output. And the output is this one. Question number 8. Find the output of the given code. Again, we are using list comprehension to create the list. And the output is this one, 3, 16, 64. Question number 9. Again, find the output. And the output is this one, 5 hash minus 8 hash 4. Question number 10. Again, find the output of the given code. Carefully create the list first and then find the output. And the correct output is this one, 6, none, 4. I am glad to find that you are liking this quiz. 6 parts of this series have already been published. These are Part 1, Data Types and Operators. Part 2, Variable Names and Compound Assignment Operators. Part 3, Boolean Expressions, that is conditions. Part 4, If Else. Part 5, Loops. And Part 6, Random Module. Links to all these parts are given in the description box, so you can go to any part of this series. This is part 7 of the series covering lists. Before proceeding further, please click the like button if you have not already clicked. Also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get the information whenever a new video is posted on this channel. There are further parts of this series and many more interesting videos coming up. Let us now proceed further with this quiz. Question number 11. Find the output of the given code, and the output is this one. Question number 12. Find the output of the given code. Now see, there's a minor difference in the code of question number 11 and question number 12, but that minor difference makes a big difference in the output. So be careful while finding this output, and the correct output is this one. Question number 13. Find the output, and the output is this one. Question number 14. Find the output. See, there is a minor difference between the code of question number 13 and code of question number 14. In 13 we are using append method. In 14 we are using extend method. Find the output, and the output is this one. Question number 15. Find the output, and the output is this one. Question number 16. Again find the output of the given code, and the output is this one. Question number 17. Again find the output of the given code, and the output is this one. Question number 18. Find the output of the given code, and the output is this one. Question number 19. Again find the output of the given code, and the output is 3. Question number 20. Find the output of the given code, and the output is 3 and 1. Question number 21. Find the output of the given code, and the output is this one, 9. Question number 22. In this question you are given a list A with 5 elements, -3, -4, 0, 3 and 4. And according to this list, you have to find out which of the given expressions are true. Pick the correct methods, and the correct options are only D. Question number 23. In this question again a list is given, and you have to find out which of the following statements are valid. And the valid statements are A, B and C. Question number 24. In this question you are given two lists, and you have to find out that for these two lists which of the given expressions are true. And the expressions which are true are A and D. Question number 25. Again two lists are given, and you have to identify which of the given expressions are true for these two lists. And the correct option is option A. That's all for this part of the series. Please write your feedback and queries in the comment section. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon too. Also share this quiz as much as you can. I will be back with the next part of the series very soon. Till then, bye bye, happy learning.